What's up? I'm Anthony from Baldroid's crew, representing Belgium, and I apparently won Rebel BC1 Belgium Cypher 2024. And I'm going to Brazil. I'm very hyped. I don't know what to tell you, man. I just won it. Processing it in my head still. One of the biggest surprises today was that I defeated b-boy T-Rock or T-Rock. For me, in my head, b-boy T-Rock was the person who was like unbeatable in Belgium. The feeling that I got when the judges put my name up, it was amazing. And also b-boy Mighty Jim in the final was also somebody who already won Rebel BC1. So I started preparing for Rebel BC1 around August this summer, just organizing everything in my notebook. Then I started to really practice. The last, I think, three weeks, or month, I just visualized everything in my head. These are steps that my coach really pushed into me. And I really like, how do you say, koppig, stubborn to like visualize and really do all those steps. But I gotta be honest, if you wanna win something like this, I mean, the Battle Masterclass is the way to go. Every step I took to win this prize or the Rebel BC1 in Belgium is just found in the Battle Masterclass. Check the landings page, it's really nice. I didn't make it. Check it out, man, it's really worth it. Let's go.